Hey everyone, and welcome to Droid Scripter. In today's video, we'll be exploring a cool concept in Jetpack Compose, creating a shimmer loading animation. We start by defining a composable function named Shimmer loading animation. Inside the function, we have a state variable declaration using remember mutable state of int size 0. This creates a variable named size that holds the composable size and is initialized with an empty int size. The remember infinitistate function creates an infinite transition animation named transition. This animation will continuously run for the lifetime of the composable. We define an animation for the start offsets property using transition animatemplate. This animation controls the horizontal offset of the shimmer effect. The infinite repeatable function configures this repetition with a tween animation lasting 2000 milliseconds. A box composable is created with a defined height of 400 dp. We set a background brush using brush linear gradient. This brush creates a gradient effect with three colors: a dark gray, a lighter gray, and another dark gray. The start and end properties of the brush define the position of the gradient animation, which is controlled by the start offsets animation. An important part is the englobal modifier attached to the box. This ensures the size variable captures the actual size of the composable when it's rendered on the screen. Another box is placed inside the first one to hold the shimmer element. This box fills the maximum size fill max size and applies a slight shadow using the shadow modifier. A row composable is used to arrange the shimmer elements horizontally. More boxes are created to represent placeholder elements for the actual content. These boxes have different sizes and rounded corners. They are filled with semi-transparent gray colors to create the shimmering effect. This composable function demonstrates a neat way to create a shimmer loading animation. Using Jetpack Compose, you can customize the colors, sizes, and shapes to match your app's design. I hope this explanation clarifies the code for you. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below, and happy coding!